We've got king prawn and crabs here. If I saw a crab on the beach, I would run a mile. Hey guys, assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe. So I am here doing a mukbang of seafood. So Sabina Hanan, if you know her, is an amazing YouTuber. If you don't know her, she's a Bengali YouTuber that I follow, and she has done something similar like this, where her and her sister sit down and have seafood. By the way, I've got Mustafa in the background, so, but yeah, we've got all sorts of food here. This is from, I think it's from Giant Killer Prawn somewhere in Manchester. My sister went and got me some of this. We've got king prawn and crabs here. So excited. Naseba is gonna try some out, aren't you?
And trying noodles.
You're gonna try the noodles. Let's put some lemon juice. It's gonna be really nice, I can tell. Okay, so first of all, I'm gonna suck on the head of the, add a bit of sauce. Oh my god, that's so nice.
It's dead. Can I try some from the crab?
You wanna try some crab?
Yeah.
Do you wanna actually try some?
Crab.
No, try some of this. It's king prawns. Try it. Bismillah. What do you think? Do you like it?
I'm gonna get a
You don't like it?
I never like
Asya, your prawn, your thing's already here.
I got having one.
Yeah, this one. Okay, how do we do this?
Like
Scissors.
Mommy, I
Cut
want to do
it.
it. Mommy, I want to have some seeds. Mommy, I want to have some one seeds. These shiny people.
These are crabs. Whoa.
I want to eat with crabs.
Oh.
Can I have this bit?
You have it.
Do we have to just buy it?
Let me show you. Are you okay? She's dying. Bismillah. Do you like it?
Yeah. Naseba, pass the water.
Naseba, brother. Let Asya sit here. Come in here, Asya. Naseba, get out. You're not eating. Lemon.
Bobby. Oh.
The crab is really nice. Are you okay? You're dying.
Actually, I got the iPad.
Right, so I can talk now. It's really chilly, so if I'm making weird noises it's because it's so spicy the food is. I'm going to read out some of the comments that you guys left on my last video. You guys showed so much love, thank you so much, honestly. So someone's written, a lovely vlog to watch, sis. You guys have such a calming presence about you. Oh, that's so sweet. We should do a cookathon. Start a main and dessert with hubby and let your sister and her hubby be the judge. Oh my god, we were just talking about that. Wallahi, my husband actually came up with the idea just the other day. So yeah, we are planning to do that actually. Then we have Reaper Begum wrote, you guys are a very genuine couple. Mashallah. Most people would cover the cracks and sugarcoat facts, but I like how you guys are straightforward and honest. Thank you. Yeah. Thank you so much. Honestly, I feel like honesty is the only way. I don't know what I'm saying, but basically I feel like, oh Mustafa, I feel like there's not much to hide anyway, so another comment. This was so lovely to watch. I had my coffee watching it, lol. Oh my god, I'm from Aston, Birmingham too. Although I did move out 10 years ago, my family and friends are still there. May Allah bless you both. Thank you so much, Zamila. That's ZFit Vlogs. Ooh, chocolate. No. Walaikum salam, Damand. So that's one of my uncles. Walaikum salam to his Damand. He lives in Bangladesh. It's Akbar the Press Vlog. So make sure you guys check him out. He does like really cool vlogs.
I want some chocolate.
No, Mustafa, don't bite it. No. No. Oh, see, I give Mustafa a chocolate. He's trying to eat this one. Stop, Mustafa, baby. Asya. Go and give Mustafa a chocolate.
I'm just able to do it because Mama was burning.
You do it. Nusayba, can you give Mustafa a chocolate, please?
I don't have any.
Go and look for one.
Go. this. You look deeply.
Okay, let's have a big piece of crab. Not that I know what I'm doing. It's really hard to open the crab. Oh, I opened it.
It's really
Crab is really soft and mushy like fish. By the way.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna get the scissors to open it up for me. Ooh, look at all that meat. Oh, look at all that meat. Yeah, it's like fish, but sweet, really sweet. Someone's written, "Ah, this is so nice. Your hubby is so humble and down to earth, mashallah. Yes, love Bangladesh. We are going in December with my family." Wow, you're so lucky. I hope you guys have an amazing time in Bangladesh. I miss Bangladesh so much, honestly. Whoa, what the hell is this? No, I can't do that. Oh. Yeah, this is such a messy job. Okay. So a few of you guys live in Aston, Birmingham, which is really cool. If I saw a crab on the beach, I would run a mile.
Really?
Because I'm actually scared of crabs and stuff. They just look like spiders. So the fact that I'm eating one, oh, this bit's got lots of nice meat in it.
Do you think the crab is gonna eat you because you ate the friends?
Yeah, I ate the crab's friend.
That's really nice.
Someone thought my husband was Pakistani. That's really funny. I don't think he looks Pakistani at all. He gets mistaken for being Sri Lankan a lot. There was one time where he was at a petrol station and the guy was Sri Lankan that was serving him. And the guy started talking to him in his language. It was so hilarious. No more sweets, Nusaiba. Anna. No more, put it back. Right guys, that is me done. I've eaten as much as I could. Actually, I've eaten most of it. Check this out. And I'm actually so stuffed. It was really nice. I highly recommend this. And yes, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm so tired. I have to pray my asr namaz in a bit. But yes, anyways, talk to you guys later. Bye.